Welcome to Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to create and schedule your first post. You can create posts from any view in Loomly by clicking on the green New Post button at the top right of the screen. If you are in your dashboard, you will need to select the calendar in which you want to create your post before being taken to Loomly's Post Builder. If you are already inside one of your calendars, the Post Builder will automatically launch. You'll then be guided through creating a social media post so you can schedule content to one or more platforms within minutes. Let's take a look. Starting your post from a blank page can be overwhelming, especially if you need to create a week or a month's worth of content quickly. This is where the Loomly magic happens. We suggest a variety of post ideas to inspire you, pulled from Twitter trending topics, RSS feeds, date-related holidays and events, social media best practices, and custom post ideas that you can draft based on your campaigns or industry conferences. In this first panel, you'll be able to define your base content. First, select the social media icons corresponding to the channels you want to publish your post to. You can also use Loomly's custom channel to create and collaborate on content for any platforms that are not natively supported in Loomly. Write a subject to easily identify your post internally within Loomly. For example, Cyber Monday Post 1. Add labels to categorize your post for campaign tracking, including using labels to filter post performance and metrics in advanced analytics. Then add your generic copy, which you will be able to customize in the next step, and set a generic date and time that your post will be published to all selected channels. Please note that you can modify the date and time for specific channels in the next step. To save even more time when creating new posts, take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots feature to set your preferred publishing schedule in advance. Another quick tip is if you are managing multiple social accounts for a multi-location franchise or businesses that post similar content, you can easily clone your posts to multiple calendars at the same time. Next up, open the Hashtag Manager to view hashtag suggestions based on the copy of your post, discover trending hashtags, as well as create and edit your own hashtag collections. You can also add UTM parameters to your links to track the performance of your content. Loomly also offers its own URL shortener, loom.ly. This is the convenient way to turn long web addresses into short URLs that take up less valuable space in your social media posts. As an added bonus, loom.ly URLs give you access to essential link metrics including clicks, sources, and locations in advanced analytics. You can attach media files in a few different ways, from your Loomly library, directly from your device, from a URL, from Google Drive, as well as access millions of royalty-free images and GIFs from Unsplash and Giphy. If you need to edit or resize your images to match each social channel's specifications, you can do so with Loomly Studio, including cropping using custom or popular crop ratios, applying filters, making adjustments to the brightness, contrast, saturation, or focus, and adding text and overlays to your images, which is helpful when posting stories. Once you have added your base copy and media, you can choose to optimize for each channel, including updating content to meet technical considerations, community best practices, and audience expectations in order to maximize post performance. In the Fine-Tune panel, you can preview and customize your post for each social media channel. For instance, if you are publishing the post to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you may want to tag accounts and add alt text to images on Facebook, draft a shorter version of the content for Twitter, sprinkle in hashtags, tag products, and add a first comment for Instagram. Make the copy a bit more formal for LinkedIn. If you need extra guidance, check out our post optimization tips to see how you can improve copy length, timing, format, and readability to ensure that your posts are formatted to best suit your audience on each channel. To reach a wider audience and boost the reach of your content, you can use Loomly's targeting and post sponsoring capabilities for supported channels. For example, Facebook capabilities include preferred audience organically targets who you would like to reach in Facebook's newsfeed. Audience restrictions limits who will be able to see your posts. And post sponsoring promotes your post with Facebook ads. For LinkedIn, you can organically target followers for company pages and boost your post with post sponsoring. Once you're happy with the post you created, you can save it as a draft, submit it for approval, schedule it for a specific date in the future, or even publish it immediately. Once you've selected an option, you'll be taken to the post view to preview your content and collaborate with others on your post. Another popular way to create posts in Loomly is to start from calendar view. Select a date, modify the time, and then either choose Quick Post if you want a placeholder for the future, or launch Post Builder by clicking on Build Post. You can also create posts from Loomly's library. The library can be accessed by clicking on the book icon in your calendar's toolbar. Loomly's library offers the following: upload images or videos from your device, upload images from Unsplash or Google Drive. You can also access any designs that you created in Canva and then export it to Loomly with our direct integration in the Canva Apps Marketplace. Store ideas for later use by creating notes to save text and links, such as when you come across an interesting website or when someone on your team mentions an idea during a meeting. Set up post templates whenever you have content that you want to reuse that is not tied to a specific date. This is helpful when you have an idea for a post but aren't sure when to publish it, or if you need a boilerplate for recurring posts with slight updates, such as store hours or sales information. Finally, you can create video slideshows from still images in your library. And that's it. Log in to your dashboard now. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team, either through our chat or via email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial.